Hi guys, Barbie channel here, and today we're gonna open this surprise egg and I don't know what's inside. So let's open this up. Wow, it's full of Shopkins! Season 3. Okay, so we have here Peter. This is from the Shopkins. It's from the fashion spree. Have here sneaker. Have here floppy hat, my favorite. She's so cute. And we have here smartphone, my favorite too. And we have here Penelope Peach. It's the cutest skirt ever. And we have here Pop Top. Yay, I love Pop Top. Have here shades. She's so beautiful. And the last is satchel. Okay, so let's take him back here in the surprise egg. Okay guys, thanks for watching the Barbie channel.